everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we will learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your regulatory affair consulting businesses. For example, you have a regulatory affair consulting business in where you can provide different facilities to your customer regarding the booking consultation, your brochure, etc. Responding each and every client manually is a time-consuming, also a very confusing task. To solve this type of problems, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot. It will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, so that whenever your users send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will respond to them automatically. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. Before starting the video of how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your regulatory affair consulting firm, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your clients automatically instantly. By sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of regulatory affairs consulting firm, hi, or instead of any message you can send, here I sent it a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Hello, welcome to Pabbly, your trusted partner for regulatory compliance and audit. How can I assist you today? While providing me 3 different options, that is our services, book consultation and support. If I'll click on our services, then it will respond to me like this while providing me one brochure of this regulatory affair consulting firm. If I'll click on support, then it will provide me all the contactual details of this regulatory affairs consulting firm. So basically, this is how your bot will respond to your clients automatically and instantly. This bot is created without requiring any coding or programming skills. If you want to create this type of WhatsApp chatbot for your regulatory affairs consulting firm businesses, then you have to follow the step-by-step direction that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating WhatsApp chatbot for our different type of businesses. Here on the right hand side you can see 2 options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can go in sign up option. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. As I am an existing user, so I'll click on sign in option. See, these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their user. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so we will go on the Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking Access Now button. Here you are landed on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining, as well as your WhatsApp number added. With the help of this plus add WhatsApp number, you can add multiple WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want to know how to add your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. If you click on this button, it will provide you 2 options. The one is WhatsApp Connect and the another is Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might involve scanning a QR code or entering the phone number and verification code. The second one is the Manual Token Connect. When you click on this, it will ask you for Meta Access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developer. Here you can also create multiple folders, and in this home section you can see the active and the inactive status of your WhatsApp number which are added to your Pabbly Chatflow account. The second feature is Inbox, in where you can store all the messages of your customer and respond to them by here also. You don't have to open your WhatsApp account again and again. The third one is the contacts, in which you can list off your WhatsApp contacts who interacted with your bot, and you can see contacts details, create segment, tag users, etc. The fourth one is the team queue, in where you can assign incoming chats to different team members automatically. It will also help you to have a customer support team. The fifth one is the template. It is just like a pre-approved WhatsApp template. These are required for initiating a conversation if the customer has not messaged you first. The sixth one is the broadcast. It is used for send up bulk messages to many users at once. It is used for promotion, announcement and updates also. The seventh one is the flow. This is where you build your WhatsApp chatbot using a visual flow builder. It is also used for creating conversation path, capture data, offer product browsing, etc. The eighth one is the AI assistant, in which you can train your AI assistant with a knowledge base to answer questions or solve problems. Here we also provide one video of how to use an AI assistant. The ninth one is the settings. where you can manage your accounts, team members, integration, API keys, etc. The 10th one is the get helps, in where you can tell us about your problem and we will find you a solution. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow builder, so I'll click on this button flow. Here you can see this is the page where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses with the help of flow builder. Here you can also see your total number of flows, your active flows and your inactive flows. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll click on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of our flow, but before this, first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot for our regulatory affair consulting firm businesses, so here I am providing a name, here I write it. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and action. Under the messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the action you can see different buttons are there. We will use this button in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button and the another is save button. With the help of this button you can update your flow. So let's get started. There are the three ways to start your flow. The one is keyword, the second is regex and the third is choose template. Keywords are the manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. The second one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. The third one is the choose template, in where you can create multiple templates and choose with the help of this button and upload it from here. Basically, templates are used for those type of conversation that was started by your side. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of regex. So here I am entering the regex. Here I write it. With the help of this regex, your bot will respond to the any message of your clients that they were sent to your WhatsApp business account of regulatory affair consulting firm. Now I want to add one welcome message for my clients, so that whenever they send a message in my WhatsApp business account, then my bot will respond to them. For this, I am selecting this media button. It will provide me one message box where I can select the media type as image and upload one image related to my regulatory affair consulting firm because it sounds impactful and interesting towards customer. By clicking on this button and upload it from my gallery. Here I upload it. Now I want to write one welcome message for my clients. For this, I am clicking on this plus add content button. Choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write my welcome message. In this box, you can also enter a caption if you want to. So here I am writing the message. Here I write it. While at the end of this message, I'll ask my clients to how can I assist you today. So for answering this, I am going to provide some buttons to them by clicking on this plus add button. It will provide me one enter text box where I can write my first button as our services. The second button I'll write as book consultation. And the third button I'll write as support. Here I write it. Now I'll connect the starting point of my flow to the welcome message I wrote for my clients. By clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. Here it is connected. Now if my clients wants to know about the services that I am providing to them, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, I am taking one text button. It will provide me one enter message box. I'll drag this box here and write the services that I am providing to them, including one brochure. Here I write it. Now I want to upload one brochure of my regulatory affair consulting firm business. For this, I am clicking on this plus add content button. Choose content type as media. And in this, select media type as image and upload one image of my brochure from my gallery by clicking on this button. Here it is uploaded. Now I'll connect the circle which are present in front of our services to the message I write it here by clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. Here it is connected. Now the next option is book consultation. If my clients wants to book a consultation in my regulatory affairs consulting firm, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. And writing one message for my client that thank you for booking consultation with us. Our team will connect you soon. Here I write it. Now if my clients wants the contractual details of my regulatory affair consulting firm, then they will click on this support button so that they can directly contact with me. For this, my bot will respond to them. Here I am selecting one another text button. Drag this message box here and writing the contactual details of my regulatory affair consulting firm. Here I write it. After that, I'll connect the circle which are present in front of support to the message I write it here. Here our flow is completed. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated successfully. So this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot for your regulatory affairs consulting firm businesses. Now I'll give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your clients automatically instantly. By sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of regulatory affair consulting firm, hi, or instead of any message I can send, here I send it a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Hello, welcome to Pabbly, your trusted partner for regulatory compliance and audits. How can I assist you today? While providing me 3 different options, that is our services, book consultation and support, that we were written here. See, our services, book consultation and support. If I'll click on book consultation, then it will respond to me like this, that thank you for booking a consultation with us. Our team will connect you soon. If I'll click on our services, then you can see the bot will respond to me like this while providing me one brochure of this regulatory affairs consulting firm that we were uploaded here. See. If I'll click on support, then it will respond to me like this while providing me all the contactual details of this regulatory affair consulting firm. So basically this is how our chatbot will work, and this is how our bot will respond to our clients automatically instantly. You can create this type of WhatsApp chatbot for your regulatory affair consulting firm businesses. This bot will automatically and instantly respond to your customer and also book a consultation without you doing anything. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So go and create your Pabbly Chatflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.